Hi guys, how are you? My name is Titanium, the founder of IMMT, Investing MMT, and the co-founder of Pure MMT for the 100% Beyond Domains, along with my friend Edward Delzio, the author of the National Debit. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back. Then let's do a video, as I promised you, what bare knuckle charting is all about. And as I told you, I don't use any indicators whatsoever. Nothing. No bots, no RSIs, MACDs, nothing like that. The only thing that anyone really needs to know to really truly understand a chart is to know two very basic things, which most people know it, but they don't understand it. The market moves in either thrust or in consolidation, okay? And it always moves in threes. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. This is a thrust move, correct? So it's thrusting. And then what does it do? It consolidates, okay? And then it thrusts up. So you see that the market moves in threes. That's all you need to know, is that the market moves in threes. Once the three wave ended, okay, what happens now? Well, it goes again into consolidation. All right, goes into, let me fix that, make it a little bit better. It again goes into consolidation and then goes straight down. Okay, that's the way price action moves. Consolidation, thrust, thrust, consolidation, thrust, consolidation, thrust. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Now you have a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Consolidation. What happened? Price action thrusted up, consolidated, continued on up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's very simple. It's not. I mean, there's rules around it. Don't get me wrong. Okay, you think you're going to take this information and run out and start doing 1, 2, 3s. I got another thing coming. It's not that simple. It is simple, but it's not that simple. Okay, as Einstein said, make it as simple as possible, but no simpler than that. And obviously, if you really want to know how to really apply this in real time, then you have to come down to patreon.com/mindthisone. And I will be more than happy to teach you how the charting aspect of our product works. And remember, we're here to help you learn how to invest properly using macroeconomic understanding, using the MMT tool. We take that information, we apply it into the real world, and then from there we can invest with that information, and we contrast the macroeconomics with the charting. And that's the edge that anybody needs. So I'm going to continue showing you a few more examples. It goes up into consolidation, and then what happens? 1, 2, 3, down. Okay. Once that's finished, guess what? 1, 2, 3, up. Goes into consolidation. And what happens? Thrust up again. Okay. Now, they don't look symmetrical. There's rules that we have that we know when what's going to likely happen. Remember, we don't predict. I know I'm smart because I know I don't know. All those people that tell you they know, they don't know. Okay, that's when they say I know, that's how you know they don't know, for sure. So what does bare knuckle charting do? Well, it gives us points of likely outcomes. Okay, a lot of these things work 75% of the time, and that's all anybody needs, okay, to create a good risk-reward entry, whether it be long or short. Okay, and that's the whole goal behind bare knuckle charting. Now obviously you need to have the macroeconomic understanding in the background to know which way to go. Now if I zoom out, because we were doing this piece down here, okay, what you're going to see is a very simple, very, very long, goes back to 1971, 1, 2, 3 structure. So this is a 1. This whole pattern here is a 2. and this is a 3. Okay, it's that simple. We have 1, 2, 3 within 1, 2, 3s. For example, this would be a 1, 2, 3. What happened? Once it formed, off it went. You think anybody was buying back here? I don't think so. No retail person was buying back here. Okay, they got destroyed on this move. Okay, they never saw it coming. They never even fathomed that it could be that bad, or when is a good time to start to buy. Okay, this is almost 10 years ago. Since then, who has been saying, the market is double dip recession, QE, Fed is never going to be able to raise rates, and all this nonsense, Trump, Brexit, Grexit, whatever. What has the market done? Straight up. Straight up. The market is up for a very long time. It's been 10 years, the cycle, the this, oh my God. It's endless. The amount of bullshit that I hear is just endless. Now, look at this piece right here. Okay? How can you tell me it's too long? Look at this piece here. Look at that piece. And what happened afterwards? It got even more bullish. Not less. More bullish. So, think about that. Don't start calling tops because it's too old, it's the cycle, it's this. Okay. Learn how to read charts, learn how to understand real macroeconomics. And I promise you that if you come down to patreon.com/mindthisone, I and my instructors will help you learn how to invest in any market with very good knowledge. Okay, that applies not only to the real world but to the investing world. And we use the IMMT tool and the bare knuckle charting, contrast the two, we get the edge. We know when to enter trades, and we know when to get out of trades, and we know when to reduce trades. Okay, and I promise you, even if you're not interested in trading, okay, let's forget about investing in trading. You really want to understand how macroeconomics works. Everybody tells you in MMT that, well, the fake MMT party tells you, yeah, don't worry about it, we can print. We can print, we can always pay for it, don't worry about it. Is that true? No, it's not true. If you look at Turkey, what's happening in Turkey? Well, they printed money, they borrowed privately from banks, and they were importing. What was the result? Disastrous. Okay. What is the MMT prescription for when inflation does hit? Raise taxes, austerity, reduce government. So do they have any plan? No, they don't have any plan. So you really need to understand the macroeconomics. When you hear things on TV, when you hear things on Facebook and various websites, do you know if that's true, if it's real? So again, if you're not interested in trading and investing, at least you'll understand real world macroeconomics, because I can point to you where reality is. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you. If you are interested, come on down to patreon.com/mindthisone. Subscribe, just hit the little subscribe button. We have a few slots left for the $20 product. Later, this product, once it sells out, it's going to go up to $150, because the information that I give is time tested. Okay, a lot of traders see immediate improvement in their trading and investment. It does take time. I'm not going to promise you all profits and all this nonsense, but you will learn how to be an investor, and it's going to take you some time. Don't think it's going to be a week or a month and you're going to read one book and off you go, you're going to become rich. It's not the way it works. Okay, so come down to patreon.com/mindthisone. Let us help you learn how to do it the proper way. Okay, we have videos that explain how an economy is created from scratch. We have bare knuckle charting videos that you can refer to. You have weekly updates, you have daily updates. We are on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And when I say we, I mean me and my instructors, helping people either in macroeconomics or in bare knuckle charting. And you can go at your own pace and you can learn. Okay? And please don't forget to go to thenationaldebit.com, where my friend Edward Delzio has published a book, which is the best book that you could possibly buy to really understand macroeconomics and MMT. It's called The National Debit. It's the second edition. It's a must-have book. This is the website. You can come and purchase the book. It's called thenationaldebit.com, and you can buy it for $7.99. Very extremely cheap in my opinion, but okay, good for Edward. And he has a blog, very, very extremely informative for anyone who wants to understand real MMT, the pure kind. And you can go through his blog, and I promise you, you're going to learn a lot. Okay, so thank you again. Talk to you soon, and I hope you subscribe and let us help you learn how to invest the proper way. Take care. Bye-bye.
Beware of false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, for inwardly they are ravening wolves.
Before this battle is over, the world will know that few stood against many.